That's Elder Joshua Donko with Ebenezer. Bringing time to 26 after 3 on Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon and welcome to your own show, OfieKwanso. And on Thursday, November, the 18th of November 2021. You know, Traffic Saturday, Copim 7 minutes here. Now, I do about speed pa. And I know, we did over Missy Bibi. And you showed me to be Canepa. Was an idea, a Jumana of Fiana Dosso, Papa. It's a bit too many casa. It is a CIA, Mikasa. Baby, I will piano. So, access to Facebook. Brassesia, na yefa videos of our time messages because and adaji any puso. Na young mongum sharp sisia. You know what I'm saying? And from Jerry Justice, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, Jeko, Ejamudende. It was so come with the Jonah set it in our brother's house. Na ya here. If your brother and if you pay if he say yes steady pa. I'm telling you. A drone no me pese me body. Cause mabuni be one more. Baby I no more do no. They want to experiment. They almost press over and such things. I don't know. It's not advisable you mention them. But in the US, sadly cause a senipa. Na ene omu de wurwuremu ama adu street no so amamo ahase tonton. You need to see some of the videos. Amafo take certain videos from Nigeria. Omo ahase take drugs bi ekwan ye dem fa so. Any boys bi ayache in some of the communities are omo susu say sa boys no. We all need to be careful. We are babu, we are youth, utie. And ya bibia na te sama for ya na kwa bi. And did microphone chisa. Sa na titi kromo esi na tramo na wan ni ade. Ama for do mu hwehwe mu a. Da no some can story bi wa chemo. A young guy died. Very promising young man. Na abrantie say wakodi boy CBH ena okono no bia sa afi abrantie abeda obesori onso take on impo oda oni onipa wawu pepepe. So at the end of the day na SSA ya ma brantie no so ko because omo say baby adunu wawu wajam oni onipa wawu da wa difference bi ani. Unfortunately, na abrantie no ne somo a owo mu no enye won ye twentwen su bi. Eti ade na nya said there na esese ye de ne ko. Quickly na ye rap no e de ne share sa adaka mu na ye sa nwumi won to di na echi a. Ena won ye de ne ko share e form. Now when na ne na fofo ni bi te say abrantie no amomo de ne ko cemetery. They went back to the cemetery. Omuko tutu ye no. Na che say ahwa no say dey or struggle wade nu pa hwe dey no so na sata by late. Ya kan nwe gusu siden wapi. It afi he died proper. You see those things. Patrol bra Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. Never shed there. Na yen hwe ye hu ye pa. Medical catch us and pressure ha enti yen se brekra. Your call it. See what? Tell them. Dominion herbal powder. Hey, draw when you've been one, Emma, we immune system, no way then. A sign of normalize blood pressure or kidney and heart related problem. The answer if you tight pains or spine, we are market to be our now face so Hallows Herbal, King's Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop or Tema Committee 5, and our Repatch Ventures. The door pan also Angel Dominion Bar Center, Kwamo on Coco, Obefre 0543 158 195, and our 0249 591 843. Dominion Bar Powder, your number one immune booster. Kel Kiss toothpaste. Where toothpaste, I tell you, boss, I come at their mama for especially. Yeah, the strawberry, I want to. And tea, what the trim of France and Moms are nice or would detour from the dead, and so any power move, I protect your gum, no. Nothing, so it prevents a cavity. I'm almost saying very strong and healthy. With freshness all day. It's more fun on 2 to 6 years from now. Yeah, no, I say all the Kel Kiss toothpaste be sure must come on. If it's Samara Company Limited, FBI move you more job to say yeah. Ernest Chemist. And so add the number 10 livers of Teta HA. Yeah, I said where did you win I show swag? What the Sanka number 10 liver salt. Tiano for good room then those are why relieved come up. Omicron and my stop cough. Says stubborn cough beat it. Nakofa cold Nika Tabi the betrayal Aquemua. Sanka stop cough. I best stop in this year. Patch of size stop cough range, you know, is suitable for adults, children, and babies. Name so you should have brought me and son. Now I want to know my dear so Timiko doctor. Stop that cough with stop cough. They are available at pharmacies in them. If I talk what about Belandi or one now, it's here for videos of our time in just Malika catch and air pressure. It's you we are so drink a crab when I'm not me at the floor. Videos of our time. Now, and that day, no, and one the best I as someone you do to her for. I watch me do so. It's a patch of Remus here on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now, you have videos of our time. And she says so. A patch of where your videos are. APM. Our Nigeria, send them DK. It's a problem. Our brother's house. Now you say we now transfer. Problem if you brother and if you pa a bubble real fee. Ye na Sadi Asha say a dimabuni nyapa den oh. Ya say illegal drugs be na man for Asha say a di romua youth no almost so no be. Na no more dream 1 month say uti anye ye na no ade na broso kakra bia na wa hyase bie bi sa boa bi no na sebe udi mu asem nse hu esem fatanko a na omoye na we na ade ne koso anom bo achi hwe anom hu se da bi ya nhwe yi a ade e beginsem itom bi se mu na kyese eye sa aduro yi a mempese mebodin eye illegal drug and as say boys na hyase a omonom eho Tom be mua timi hu boys ni bia omo eton zanru no edema youth no na said omo ahwe omo won video ko ye mbe show omo ale omo ankasa pa ti why be chew so we bi no omo gwa heavy say be abetwe hu officer dey no. I'm showing you maybe 2 videos the ade no aye no one no modro bi na amani behave to say Abua behaving like an animal. And then I'll show you a picture of sa illegal drug I mean pese me body. Anyone more yet she almost say omo a pedals aina ya shon pano. Jeko fatu sisi ane nkona and a brain yosa. It's in videos of our time no and one I said it to for. Yen she ye. E wo mu ana wate ona ese adrobi aba no ma be se onu be se me. Hwe ye. Enkodi bibia achi hwe onipa da sani na da fo mo no and at the right side no eduro no ebi na ekura obi a ewo rubber mu no hwe boy no da for mo no what take his hard drag here and the picture that way be overdose and I see look at the way he is behaving hwe and why start boy be all crawling off from wa hwe de o ye chese owu ani ase chese hwe de onipa de sani ye no ho from edian na eje wasasi so wakodi namfo achi akomemene dure bi and now look at the end result. Look at how he is behaving. Hwede abrante ne ye enuanom ne adofo ne titiri amabunu ayaba moma yenye steady yenhwe hu yi enye se otemi dase abra no ama akra so boys back ebe kasa o chale this one if you take small now ti anye yie na the small na nkwanko ye small ne kote faso kakra te de abrante die yi a ekobro so kakra bi overdose kakra bi na de wosen eno kra ye approved ye manmu ye wo institution a omo bo adwuma epa de boyen ansana duro bi beba bonten so ame anu na eso mtimi hwehwem fd4 aduane bi ebedi ni ade se eye papa ansa eno kra na ya hwehwem a ya gye atum no ye wo hwehwe da ho ya tro dosage ho ekwan ya befa so abenom ho se de be ya enkobro so eno no kra na eye legal ya gye atum ya hwehwa ya approve no kra no yes say nom ne say batman no me omro so say edura wo nom de asa ho yare o enti we nom na ma ko ye high sa no eno de ne okonom na bro so a ibi paracetamol keke kra wo fa to quench your pain no paracetamol ne yes men nom para no e me omro so ya kire wo say wo ye adult afa tu enti say wo fa me bro so how much more there eye illegal aye man ho kwan now Adom be to a good team. So if it takes more, if it took small, now could take it small. How small is the small? Because this is not like a dry trust a tablespoon and a teaspoon never no. And now I say okay, you one pill and I say one tablet and I say oh if you take small, so not that they talk oh Charlie if you take small Charlie hey Charlie this one go make you high Charlie you go days good. No market catch now, sir. How small is the small? And see if you take small now, feed your I ain't small now. I ain't see now. Or bread ever for more. You can feel it like one bread or bread. You can see the video, no. And I want Daniel would be for more ready or from way. Everybody, Nigeria, yeah. You call young another video. Yan fan in toto sharp and a time you cry. Timedica catch was no I side you to your foot. It's your foot no last down. Yan fan my MTN and they order Ayuba Abba. A all new app for everyone. App I was so to me BBA, which me cross send Sika through MTN Momo. What I say. Into a more boy you originally would have the same house. Baby, yes, she boy, we know. Both a best another guy and so ho. Now count on cotton, tonton, no be my boys, no. And a mabuna watching or more shin or no. On the way or more lashing or no. A departure Ayoba ya bay, so would you not so cry no to me send a Sika through MTN Momo, while brow chatter with your favorite vendors, family, and friends. Which means so catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. What I say, you play games, you listen to music, and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba, Tipacho, call Google Play Store and our App Store and download it. Ayoba, Cecilia, once wait me, I enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. Ayoba are available to all networks, but MTN users there, you get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. Akwana ye guano sa no je ko for ba kono no so ye hwene ba both on the same spot wa sa time no ko because and adwuma na wa na doso time no ko eti abusua hwebi nefa tu hufo enkodi de akire obi mempesa mebobɔ baduro ni din say the medical canon such things obi bisa say why are they beating them that's bad. Oh, so why do you say that drag to Obi's uncle? What you say? Design a corner and a omusiba mono. It yanshe huye, na yen two ye manofo. I was an your man home. Na ubi a form one fat a quaya, a tessa eso. And no, and one asem no. It ya free a bequay anymore. Your boysim, na the Akabiano. Yet to me, they are trust with me this one. But memory, I've been telling you, say Casa Preconforma Christmas a bantam, Nina say nay, so wow promotion on the Aquafaban, a promotion change pa, you know what I'm saying? Nina say, and they know, yes, a banner top 1,000 packs of assorted drinks, a combination of either, Storm, Choco Malt, Puma Tamarind, multi-fruit or Puma Cola, and I say, wait me cry a day, tell you what 10 be cry one, and now wake mineral water. Oh, what they top young products on different kabooms and then do 1,000 packs. Now, your mount 100 packs free of charge at the account. Yes, just like that. And no, I don't know. All our key distributors across Ghana. And I feel Casa Preco Depo Ahodo and Kranha, Kumase, Techiman, Tamalehona, Ho, Okwa, Promui, Ejamudin Dending over there. Ultimi ma emeta, fraying, net saying the ope. Na, yeah, family, you load 2,000 and you load 100, no so the account at the amount. Na fi, you be deliver the amount free of charge at your doorstep. Untiashe. Number is 050 162 074 and I'll 050 156 2072 and check our crown washing so Casa Preco Company Limited, a step beyond excellence. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Uzuti Adom 106.3 FM, of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. Christmas here, there amount for Babes. If you bear that, television also be play part. And so to me, channel beer, ultimately more day ye pa, and utin and day Gold TV for Akofa super package diaba. Now, super package, over 60 world class channels. Also, we any the freshest, the latest, and the newest member cry of the Gold TV packages. They transforming you into the best arena in the world with the WWE channel. Now your mama no sono etimianya kwanya say and they acquire magic on be explore exciting shows outdoor like the day Sanko Fani de Keka home band movies ni soaps ni adia African Magic Urban TL Novelas Rock channel na fin so Novella Magic and the KIX channel ni nyina so no edwagu ho my friend yi omu fimu on besua de asan entertain omo on Boomerang and our fake Cartoon Network, Disney Junior, and then Da Vinci Kids, Nina, so a bit to me, Akoso Edia Mom. So go on and make your home the Center for Exploration, where Bra would tune to a National Geographic, and Nina, so you're available on a Gold TV Super package, ESO. And for some Pan-African lifestyle entertainment, you can also tune into Honey, Nina, Gold TV Super, ESO. We've got you covered. To Christmas, you may feel there. Mawasanka, Gold TV decoder, and 89 Ghana cedis. You can top up with only 49 Ghana cedis. Now I enjoy all the mind-blowing content on Gold TV Super. Gold TV, love it. Share your baby D and Komo Kakra. Na yede hihye ahodo na kanina abro madika ka cho se ye wo enkomo bi ha ye ba bedi abrante ba ko a wapi mutim se obono modin ye pa na mom sisi ai de ba bia yedu no ye behwe na fi yede enkomo foforo abeto aso a ye wi a ye bebo wura enwomto enso enkomo no emu. honorable say enede obey the onye bida e wo me shoes well eti manager can atena say I say enede bibie kwa no mana oberon anti de bibie kwa ba eti manager akwaba
ma mefa aseda ema okwaku na mentia atiefo nyina na enne no mepese oyade bi ma me am say na nsan na eja ya ma me ebeto onwum bi a oka asem bi wo mu se onan no a efa cho we de tenase din na wo de onsa no a efatintim fidie no se de be ya ensem a me ne Ghana fo ebe kan
okay
ebetimi aduru won chen ema me
no problem
be da se pi Ghana fo asabre mu tie me ewo kasafidie yi so ba bibia wo bia ntia soronko na yede ema ofri Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited di Dominion Herbal Powder aba se de obi beka se yanu asem kura asa because yakade ya kire Ghana fo dodo na eti asem no atu anamon ama enne ayaresa aye won dia de me ne wo kan se yade biara abo yade biara ene watena na ye oso kwankro no otwedi amponyankopon Adom odi Dominion Herbal Powder ba adurei se unya binom a ebeboa wo yaka wonsem bebre de akire omanfo na de ntia ya na bibia no yesan besi so mamu ne se empanifo sa bosoba ene ma japai tie ne yewu abosoba enu ne ma ejapai e wo se bra no ne yeba ne yene mu be den eba be kasa na mu hunu ade Dominion Herbal Powder eye edema omanfo me pacho wo obi a diabetes tete wo a waduro eye Dominion Herbal Powder wo obi a stroke yade e sa abo wato ho se fe na eba waduro eye Dominion Herbal Powder wo obi a wakoma yare wo obi a wo spinal cord problem wo obi a fibroid tete wo a waduro eye Dominion Herbal Powder abusia abri bia ye bakasa fidie so a ye bobɔ yare no a obehwempo na agebere no eso nya de epen no ye pese obi bia hu se yare biara ha wo nipadua no ma etete wo no Dominion Herbal Powder ba se ebeba abeboa wo tie ne ye enye immune booster bi keke eno no papa bi kan se wo ka sa asem na manije ho pa because wo ka sa asem no enemi tu anamon ko pe bi to ya enne manya mayaresa no obi obeka che o se BP ni aduro enye no kure nim no onim obi obeka se diabetes enni aduro enye no kure nim no onim obi obeka che o se spinal cord enye problem ti de aduro ne de untimi nante biem no enye no kure nim na nipa ni nim yade bia ye kwankro bia no anu aduro ye den wo ho de ma Ghana fo enti se wotie me a me pa che wo bomadia ne kope Dominion Herbal Powder ni bito wo ba bibia wo ne Ghana ha ba bia no we betimi akasa duro yi ebi nru ho ba bia ebi nru ye de na che se me amintimi mpo enkyere ba bibia to aduro bia bi wo ho se wo ko kan hia Dominion Herbal Powder abusu wo ho ukopie mu wo kumase ana anatakrade anatamali ana na aduro yi unya bi wo ho Mama papa, udie ni subetu anamon, no akope Dominion Herbal Powder ato. Mentimi maka safidie so Adom FM ha. Kasa adanse no, me mamu emmobi Emma Ghana fo. Di se de meka se onsa no ano. Fa onsa no a ebo adanse ni bi Emma Ghana fo entie emma me.
O me hypertensive. Ana onsa wo diabetic count. Na me se me abibimra betimi abo me ama abrofo no bebe abusan kan be gan no enti ya me tia vetan akokoto bi alis manom te se manom you na ma se ama mi sugar level ni me BP na ababa kwa na fi tuzo no ma no ati ma me ta papa enti I dey ma recommend some a lot of people so
first no na me ta kunya so na me sorry na me chi me yanom ne adade na fi me da so ade be channel pa na me feel weak na nyina ko nyina I'm strong. I'm old, but I feel that I'm stronger than a younger men. Manum fine. Manum be for manum about 12 up to 15 boxes. As I happen, Makoto. The already a motor control price of Madina and and 50 from the Jimmy. Other people did Matopa when they Matomanum Pyram system fine. Oh yeah, no Marka because so that me feel my system before some no I don't pay a woman, not 2 hours about it. Then feel my break around and at the cry. No, dear, and the credit.
No, also, no, Hania. Now, the radio, so say the moment. No, so they want to say a drama. The way you cry, no, I will find me yesterday, a brand here for. And to be satisfied, you could talk a dreamy. Make another boy imagine. And to be young and you toy. Now, my number one, I'm finding with the whole one, I'm a teacher. My ass is in cool. But this in the I asked one day, and the doing something I will say a few and queen, then keep it be. And I'm afraid I do more than see I feel. The kidney, no, a whole face will not, and no, the employer, as I'm employers come in my room and say, about nothing, and I did but the full one up, and also me nothing so before my moment, and also saying in my view, a drone, a group, now maybe I just don't hear.
Abusia, why would see a dance here? Every be a member fidie to be a kwaku. One say, Mrs. Dance here. A Julia one cast of crackers and never say, I didn't a branch here, be a dance here for Froba, a dance here for Froba. Say, I dear said, Drono, dear Yakafamono, and your Juma sa, can dance any to me, Massa. And what dance here, you to me through, be say, oh, would dear bra, can dear with Fadruno, Cassa, yes, I know dear ho. They said the panel, oh, ya dance here to send your year, and ya dance here crew GB and Monchero. The pacho. Adwani din ye Dominion herbal powder tie ne yie baabi eton aduro bi abekọ ebi wo ho medical kase o kan shi ubenya bi wo ho tema Little George ho bi wo ho Eastern region baabi eton aduro bi wo ho Tamale Kumase Western region Central region baabi bi eton aduro bi akwa ubenya Dominion herbal powder na ye de ya na bibia kase momfrɛ yɛn o wasem bisa bi obi o aye kan say na dwuma ye ne na wo de akonya wo ho abiri bi afrɛ yɛn ne ye no ntwetwe nkomo ne hunu sɛ de obesi atu anamo afa ye be ya pono to wabo bibia me pa cho ye number betimi de afrɛ yɛn eye 0543 158195 tie ne ye 0543 158195 ene mo amwa kra na mo pɛ dodoɔ atu no me pa cho mo amwa pɛ dodoɔ naka mu atu no Monfre Steven, aya Accra rep no. No for being free depot, Emremo. Aya 0549 591 843. 0549 591 843. More Western and Central region no. Madaroma, Monfre 0248 63 23 28. 0248 63 23 28. More Northern region. Tamale ene ne mpota mu no yendi no mo ne de akeka ho ne nyina no pepa acha o minim se mu tie Adom FM mo number mo be frɛ abisa duro ne ho asɛm eye 0207 118 519 0207 118 519 Northern region baabi bia be frɛ no ubetimi abisa asɛm ena mo nso amo Eastern region ubetimi afrɛ 0245 588 266 0245 588 266 now ne empanifo nkasa me pa chawo eye Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited ene ye na otwetwe nkomu aduro ni din no eye Dominion Herbal Powder me pa chawo pi wo de okwa bomadia na wo de Dominion wa kwaku e da se bebre
yeah that's it. Oh gosh. I show your time now. Just about 4 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Yeah, trust walk with him. Yeah, didn't come on real quick. We said there's a new kid on the blog. And never be book of our cry. Hopefully, run you muka cranny and shady. But before that, Charlie, NLE. I say can't said then times Ubenya TV Asha just a black and white etikopui. Yeah, Obetna Kamwa just a bone shaker. Arrow glass, bonframa, true lolly. Oh, Ube Kwako Kius before your Timia connect on our Kwako communication center and you'll be a Kokasa. Now say, Lotto number be no so Diana Kwako di Kimua and some Kwako try or Lotto chaos in Munia there. And then so the name master sign technology are back flat screen TVs papa bi. Oh yeah, smart TVs papa bi. Modern cars papa bi. Mobile phones papa bi. And no show bedroom o share. Sebe washroom kra na new be din kobo ne ade a. O hwe nanim no so hwe wani. Saa so na ne utimi twa loto no e wo mobile phone no so. E wo nya se okọ join queue bia wo loto kiosk bia e ho. Eti pacho you phone sisi a na ebo *959 hash across all networks. Obetimi etwa NLE 590 loto ibi. And yes, I go online www.590mobile.com.gh. What you soon numbers, Y and tau stick. Then you get draw results. Then you receive your wins via Momo. Very simple. 590 mobile. Still and down some. So still on Sana. And it is raining cash all over Ghana. Till the end of the year. I know Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. A more day, every hour, every day, every week, every month. Cash nana amount for the grand cash prize Nankasani 100,000 Ghana cities. All you need to do is to first dial *500 hash or recharge it with 5 cities or more. Then you build a point. Nothing so Airtel Tigo money no fire transactions more. In now being your points or to data bundles now a use you. Nina now build a point. And I'll also boost 2 points in swap. Or they in daily SMS trivia no. Enter. They answer simple questions. It costs just 30 pesos. Or build the points more now. And then I'll be your cash DBAD. Airtel Tigo Misu promo. So we need BBA. Only one number penny they contact you. That's 0260 000 Any other number be contact you. Say what we need. About your scam. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple. Afe yamon rem na yenin komo akra medical catcher say abranti young guy pa na there. But put me say why. Okay, so abranti akwaba.
Oh, thank you very much for having me.
Charlie. Now, guy, that's also with me. Now, akwaba keke kra na on TV engines. Okay, I can't akwaba just say.
Yeah, nah.
Oh, yeah, nah. Me oh, mommy oh. Yeah, fine, sir. But yeah, is okay.
Okay,
yeah. Now, I want to say. Okay. First and foremost, Udino, how do you pronounce it?
Benel.
Yeah, Benel. Now, yes. Benel, na who din?
A Hebrew name and it sounds like a French name.
Oh wow. Okay. Now, a pa na Benel e busy.
Sisi because of music, no, me share a new particular place, but I am a dance man. Yeah.
It say because of music, you know.
Movie around the bridge. Yeah.
All right. In the first place, about saying na utimi elande on Saturday ne album.
Okay. Amika story is Bibia started from Pempe College. First, I'm a music director of Pempe College. I call shows 1-1 or SHS. Until after Pempe, I'm a core tech. Me started covers on Instagram. I say I'm on phone now.
Now, why all the idea?
Exactly. I think I was trying. Now me building my fan base in Kakakakra. I don't know how. One way or the other, Saturday video no. And the manager and some other people, Angel Town, Black Nana, Emoji, and I'm still Sako. Yes, I'm writing campaign here. Yeah, now about around.
Okay.
So I didn't know around into. Long story short, Obia koi after sa particular day no.
Yeah.
Obia if you wanna come in the sack paint, na Emoji boss and busy. Na I think balcony side, and our friend so we should work on this thing. And see, that was how we made Don't Cry.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. How was it like when yes, Nyomonoma be a part of the album?
It was a great feeling. Now, yeah. Adom.
Wow. And since then, no, like with your involvement with SAC or there, no, then I'll bet me I can say I am impact in our music career and also no to say.
Oh, I build my fan base a lot. At times, comfort to me from when you know this number of people at here. I'm a huge fan base because I'm a new artist, and at that time I'm releasing that. Now your covers no plenty. I'm a very huge audience.
Okay, talking about now releasing that. So far official songs do best sense and
Pacho official songs Bakupe, but we got 2 features. That's Baku here with Sak and Baku here with Amrado.
Yeah. Oh, you featured on your friends Amrado.
So yeah, some EP, Patience EP.
Yeah. And also
was Frame. Yes, please.
Oh wow. That's nice. And tell me, what inspires you to do the things you do? Because Obia, like, everyone's a campus now, share with this thing, and I show book money at there, you say, then they inspire to do the things you do.
I need like one person now inspire me. I'm just inspired by things I see, my family members, those around me, life experiences. Yeah, those are the kind of things that inspire me. Yeah.
So after tech, now, what are you doing?
See, I may hear my service because definitely was me, but I'm still balancing it with music. Like I had to rush from the workplace to
you bet on your disco, right?
Yes.
We will listen to disco, but before that, no, Mami Bisa our question with you. Or share or style and the exposure in France say Sako de amount, and fortunately you've been on Amradoni EP, you know, so that exposure now when you know now they compare other young guys now almost what system no already now competition you say a very tough out there. How do you see that competition, you know, music industry, you know, and with your style, you know, fitting in where we are sure say grounds fertile enough I'll be to me anymore.
Yes, more grounds fertile enough, but to me I know about competition because no matter what, no matter how big an artist is, want to meet the whole day, definitely will bet you before. Yes, there's no way. Want to meet Bob Benel, the whole day, definitely about something else. And now the whole year, want to meet Bob and coming. So I believe say there's a lot of space for everyone else to shine. So yeah.
All right, we shall form Mama NTA Disco from Benel and then Yababaka. You don't know about Twaso.
I'm a little shy. I've been loving you for a long time. If you say no, I will feed that. No, be joke, never lie. Give you love, give you peace. Every single thing you need, I'll protect you, girl. You see. Oh, it's you and I. Oh, rain or shine, yeah. Hold you down. Oh, come be my baby. You and I. Oh, rain or shine, yeah. Make I take you to the disco, yeah. Take you anywhere you want go. Come and give me that fire, baby, yeah. I know go make you burn. Make I take you to the disco, yeah. Take you anywhere you want go. Come and give me that fire, baby, yeah. I know go make you burn. I see you in my heart, that beat pump. Asking questions, baby, where you from? You speaking like you are from in a London, down. Baby, come see what I have done. No more playing, you're the one. It's your smile and your beautiful eyes. You did make I realize. Oh, I say it's you and I. Oh, rain or shine, yeah. Hold you down. Oh, come be my baby. You and I. Oh, rain or shine, yeah. Hold you down. Oh, so make I take you to the disco, yeah. Take you anywhere you want go. Come and give me that fire, baby. I know go make you burn. Make I take you to the disco, yeah. Take you anywhere you want go. Come and give me that fire, baby. I know go
voice. That voice. No, voice no. Meaning most of the musicians almost studio when they are recording. So only a person make I mean they try out there, but for real, when you meet them no more. Yeah, now say one crowd almost try. Do you struggle to maintain that silky voice? No, say natural.
But you're natural.
Hey, no, so no. Can you do something from yours? Me person me feel on that way no fine. It's your own song. What's here now? No, I can hear a voice no so all right, but can you do something different, or maybe the instrument I was playing earlier and me feel over because Charlie voice no so. Hey, Charlie, guys, that why you get voice oh. Oh, they be big account to line big account you but this number there.
Look into my eyes and all you see. I wanna be nothing but be free. I wanna be all you feel you can. So hold me down, yeah. Don't let me go, don't let me flow. Don't let me do the things I don't know. Hold me closer. I need you. Got it in the room. His heart's all over the
We said any lyrics.
Hey, Charlie.
world tonight, yeah. I need you, boo.
No. Wait. And to voice that, no, sir. I said that now, yes, sir.
But just I need.
Hey, yo, where the internet circle there, Wadi? Wow. Charlie, one voice, and you be fine boy too. Oh, and they send you by say the end, and I just say,
oh, sorry now.
I'm sorry now. Where did you go, yo? Where did you go? God's voice, where oh, he says, "I be fresh boy." It's just I'm sorry now. Oh wow, that's nice. Charlie, you've got a very beautiful voice.
Thank you
very much. Very beautiful voice. I love it. Now, let me find out from you. Why yes so far? No, did you write a song yourself?
Yes, 100%.
And you know why now?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Whoa. Okay, so going forward, now you have this one and exposure now. Sack the amount and that of Amra Dunia. Then I gonna phone share name from Benel.
Thank you for that question. Maybe releasing some EPV.
Oh wow.
Very very soon. Hopefully. Even before I hear no end it. See, I want my people to look for it. I want Ghanaians to look for it. It's about maybe a 4 and now 6 songs, different types of vibes. Because since I'm one song, so I feel there's so much more I can share with Ghana. Yeah, looking forward to start EP.
Oh wow, yeah. Wow. Okay, so you better wrap it up. But before we do that, you better more my handles and there, so that people will get to know where you are to at every point in time. But let's check out the one you did with Sako there. Don't Cry. Yeah. I was sure this is the song. Sako there, Benel, also. Don't Cry.
I just say move back, Johnny. I'm a dog for a dog. I just say move back, Johnny. See my baby, don't cry, 'cause I did it for you. See my baby, don't cry, 'cause I did it for you. See my baby, don't cry, 'cause I did it for you. Yeah. See my baby, don't cry, 'cause I did it for you.
Dame do fubi do tema. Ananse be chime nine. Minim so did it get a beba. May any near my pain, and me the kind. Midin so be seen a jasso. Na me de mensa to the core. Me de never cross us. So we be no one, Mr. Shh, you cool. I mean, you won't do my. I can't man swim on that. Now my came a for them, Mr. One quality, but Thomas so make a BPM say, Mama. Or the father, my men, I may heat it. So one to make a be my hunty. If you have a power with him, so I feel the same. I mean, Sunday fun, and I was
See my baby, don't cry, 'cause I did it for you. Yeah. See my baby, don't cry, 'cause I did it for you.
I'm ramming the folk of food, your machine. Or seeing to me, we want a better one chain. Intibuni will be doing the same. Minim said that she be me who knows for the pain. Yamaya, what don't we could do. My mentor won't can you sabi be me. Sweet is a woman, my kumi to her. Him a phone cannon, many shows will be pennies. I would charge your betting in your wood. I could call the son and Sacramania and the fame. Ya will film okay, who say you will pay. Cinema flew into one to any measure. Semi TV na will be or so bar. Was 3 many mamma say, ah. Sisembre, a clear than in person, so that you be with me. What don't want our buy.
I just say, move back, oh, Johnny. I'm a dog for a part. I just say, move back, oh, Johnny. See my baby, don't cry. Don't cry, 'cause I did it for you. See my baby, don't cry. Don't cry, 'cause I did it for you.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. This voice, dear. It's the only circle there. Yeah, new word. You might one country and foul voice, no.
Oh, you can say.
But he didn't say anything about, that beautiful voice you got.
Oh, he said this is the sound he was looking for.
He told you that.
Yeah.
Charlie.
Don't cry, 'cause
You do all. Yeah, it's your one, me, why?
Oh, big love and
Yeah,
big thank you to Kinsak.
Me, cry. Why? Because exposure now near the amount they big. It, right on that and give it to us. What I say, we did for you. And see, amount for show our handles the end.
Handles Benel official, BENERL official.
Benel
Snapchat,
official.
Instagram, baby, TikTok, baby, the same thing.
Okay.
Benel official.
Okay. All right. And currently, are you under any record label? Be now or be or manage you now?
Yeah, I have my guys that are around me. I also have Waveyard Entertainment. That's
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, what work experience be so far ever since I share music industry?
Oh, so far there be.
Be cool, man.
Yeah, even recently, big shout outs to Amrado. Yeah, some concert we were Kumasi, it was crazy.
Yeah. He put you on that event, eh?
He put me on that event, and the people were singing along. It was crazy. I feel blessed, man. So, big shout outs to Amrado.
Wow. Charlie, all the best. Why?
Thank you.
We did for you to be here. Now, I'm smart and so I shall boy beat me their board brand. What I say? Yeah, I wish you all the best. Yeah.
Big thank you to Adom FM for everything you do for us.
You're welcome. All right. Guys, that's Benel. Go check him out. Benel official. BENERL official. That's what it is. Yeah, the Mukasa Jumedi abroad this Sunday. Adom FM, so 3 p.m. sharp. Hosted by Pukuya 101 and then Mike 2. Sponsors in the Unim Dada, Amalina, Children's Haven, Joy Industries, Jehovah is my friend restaurant, and our Winborough Spicy Kebab, Eteche. Now, child, this trip, no. Celebs now be PPM so Venice, although now so be Tiano Washen or so. Now, what the BPM over at Tamas Kitchen, whatever community too. And Tiano Washen or so. Mokasa is powered by Pukuya 101 concept.
don't cry, 'cause I did it for you.
Enti yemu bi a ye pen yum say pa the way me I dey love music na enti yentimi anya ne de beto kakra de age ye ho kwakra yi eno so e ka say the rest of the boy it or not to nyum say effortlessly just say effortless he's just there relaxed and Charlie. Oh my goodness. Me try. I didn't even know to take. But in case you're wondering what to do with your Cerelac 400-gram tin, here's what to do with it. Mount Sanka, the new Cerelac wheat 350-gram pouch, make sure the value pack, and no any the ideal choice. I'll bet me they are refill tin, very affordable, convenient, still providing key nutrients, make sure iron, vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, vitamin D, zinc, as well as iodine. We now come as supporting normal cognitive function and help promote optimum growth and development. So go grab your value pack at a retail shop near you. Cerelac 350 grams, more for less. FDIS and Kratrimu Shimuaja to Muse Muye. So we insure with Phoenix Insurance. Say at Renchamba cry, you will not cry. Because Phoenix Insurance day for you. They go sort you out. Come on. 18 years say you will rise again when disaster strikes. Brother, insure with us. Fire, motor, accident, marine insurance, engineering, as well as bonds. You two claims in temper. And they are BBI, very simple for you. Put me far better for OfieKwanso. Eto insurance policy. You phone is a star 389 star 79 star. Now I follow prompt no. You be try to me. Any other inquiries? Be afraid 0302 246 319 and after 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. I say greetings, Jerry. Please wish my wife Mina Amwako Dakwa Nana Ama Amofa a happy birthday for me. Words can't describe how grateful I am to have you as my wife. I am grateful for all you've done for me. Oh man. You do for the man wife on her birthday today. Happy birthday, sweetheart. And also a special birthday wish going out to Mary Aziz Tunde of Twin City Radio, Takrade. May God bless you. How about Kubrania Queen? Don't fall by and was a Obama.
See my baby, don't cry, cause I did for you. See my baby, don't cry, cause I did for you. See my baby, don't cry, cause I did for you. Yeah.
happy birthday. You've had a special one going out to you, Lady Ann Manison. Happy birthday to you, Lady Ann Manison. And this is coming from your mom and dad, Harry and Uriah Manison, wishing their daughter, Lady Ann Manison, a happy 4th anniversary. Happy birthday to you, sweetheart. Enjoy your 4th birthday, and may the good Lord bless you. In Jesus' name, amen. Abusa baby, I do not dare. Around the world in 5 minutes. Sir Scott Atnasi. Yanko si wawa. Si wawa. Si wawa. Nyabo train eba. Si wawa. Si wawa. Says hot, Brajery. Bama Akwaba.
You know, rapping.
Na umpom to say.
Nyami Adom, the Akin, and your crack or catch it away.
Ebe ye, Nyamitiase, Bibia bear fine. Why? Bibia bear fine.
Sounds on here, dear.
Adom ninti, me hoye pa.
Adia Bakua wounded mammy, dear seal, and they say, Metronomy mobile.
Hey, says Scott.
Benel,
the obey, Ghana food now.
Once and you know, you will move different time. What is metronomy? Oh, say those days, ya tonium was sorry. Oh, yeah, metronomy. That people don't know. Me say, Nyami Adoma 24th January. I am a bed in the remember you say when and you been one-on-one interview.
So,
okay.
We'll look forward to that, don't you worry.
Yes.
By now, my best friend back on the birthday.
Oh, really?
Your friend Marigold. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Obi our friend Mimi.
Okay.
The old school name friend Marigold Hansen. Yeah, very pretty lady, you know what I'm saying?
Really?
Oh, yeah.
About in the 30s? Waware.
Yes, Wawari.
Oh, okay.
I can't help.
Oh, there be.
They won't feel brutal.
Gradually,
Mimi.
And Mimi.
Happy birthday to you, sweetheart. We are very fine. Why? Me, I watch. I said, we are number one best solution for. Tiana, watch your mini for people now. Mamma, there.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Gradually, will be a wood team and dairy. Engine number answer.
Okay.
0540. 108 531 0540 108 531. A Gini food for number
sharp.
Fra woman a catcher woman say Scott and I didn't have mammy. Cocotu Omoton Gini food near menina. Your mayonnaise, your Gini rice, your Gini milk, Gini sardi, Gini sunflower cooking oil. Just say food product I would do piano.
Yeah.
What do we need? Yes. So we penny do it. We do our not on tons. I am an interview. Kutuna cotton, Fako Gusto, the mom better so at the amount. Who person with the coffee is what? A quine at the hole. Fre womo, now we need womo and tree and come on. Bradley, can I tell you something?
Go on.
Bradley, did you know that having sexual intercourse before going to work? Having sexual intercourse before going to work makes you feel like a manager. Did you know?
Obana na be man.
Both.
You go.
No, did you know? Who said no, me can't. Did you mean my agreement? The one I use I miss no. Would your body need better? There's audio. Now for follow Muti on Omega say yes.
Okay, is it true? If it is true, let us know. More, especially more my journey on Facebook. No.
Brother, did you know? Say having sexual intercourse before going to work makes you feel like a manager.
Sir, I am a try.
Good. Sana no bed, man. But for say papa me jo bag. Masa, say manager be. Oh. What you win to?
Hey, I say
I'm going to go.
You.
And now Papa Bill can testify. And
maybe I know about romance.
Until we'll bet me and testify.
Randy Roland Kumsin on Facebook says yes. It is true. I felt some before.
Okay.
And then not a Peter boy or say yes. So Mary Annan or say yeah.
What Mary say yeah
or say yeah.
And now I feel manager
say or say Martha Sante say it's true pa. Yay! And then I'm moving. Patrick Cheneboa or say Jay try and see.
The also move the because I'm say
heavenly minded bride or say hey. As I remember,
as I anyway, but make us some natural house. As I remember,
when so obey Michael, or say very true, good. And Adobia Linda, or say says court.
My head day.
Asemu Esther MFA said it is true. Just say when you now say Ekuma say Fatu speaker. Ekuma also say.
The jury, the justice.
Yes, Mama Zimbi.
In fact, and then we will say. Says court or your research power.
Thank you. My portion.
You see plainly, and then the Charlie, the one who finally can. What's a system near you? Oh, going to me now. It's not benefit. No, Tim, I hurry. More. I see the one. So, it's no one say, as an idea why lively power. Who said, we are my lively and open my lively. Intimacy. When you good, you got to be sharp. The five senses must work. You don't have to be lazy. And the more of that,
and your jaw, easy. You're so funny, you are not. It's yeah, not because you can't comment. Me, you come kind of.
Because I'm sure. Also, then I will say research.
Me, okay, no man. Because I what Miss Me trash. I can do there. Good. I'm also testify. Say I am.
You can't say you know.
But David Carnation say not just any sex, but better one.
Hey, you know, so the assembly, Papa, you know, the assembly. Okay. Brother,
yes.
Did you know? Say, nowadays, girls can drink like their fathers, but can't cook.
You mean take alcohol?
Yes. They can drink like their fathers, but can't cook like their mothers.
Okay.
Yes, nowadays, sanity.
Okay.
Before you share your secret, make sure the person you are saying it to is not a script writer. Just make sure. Just make sure. Just make sure. Yes. My sister, the Lord Jesus Christ did not come to this earth to die for you and I, for you to be a slave queen. Please, please and please and please, put a stop to it.
Okay.
Okay. My brother, you don't have money and you are crashing on a slave queen. What are you talking about? Who Niska? Also crashing on a slave queen. Who are who Niska? Shadia Woye. Who said the most active part of a woman during sexual intercourse is her mouth. Did you know? the most active part of a woman doing sexual intercourse is a man.
Nano.
Yeah, nano.
Aye. Indeed, good.
The reason being that the most active part of a woman doing sexual intercourse is nano. Uttering lies to praise a sweating idiot. Uttering lies to praise a sweating idiot. Baby. Okay.
Na mepachuti asembiu. Nana Akwesi. Ose asem na kan no no kre na tido dia to so ose I almost fired my boss yesterday. Just say onu free boss edi.
Onye adwuma nya no on de on tira ho. Brother, you to kwan kakra me money to me time na so.
Yeah.
Enipa more than 1,000 has been detained in Ethiopia. Brother, in fact, Ethiopia say na say me no mienu ye kan ye.
Omo beya na such a nice place omo say.
Omo say no. In fact,
no ane me ya no.
Enipa makoma 1,000. Omo che wom. They have been detained. Ethiopia. In fact, people are crying, say it is not right, so they should release those people.
Okay.
Now, me can say no one say USA, United States of America, our Secretary Anthony Blinken. What the about to their watch? Let's say two parties. No, say two parties. No, one month na say. No more asumwe.
Oche Democrats ne
yes.
Republicans.
Ethiopian, yes.
There be Anya America. Make us say okay.
Now, woman the about to your watch this.
Sir, for no.
You know. What were people progressive one
or the toss.
Woman the about to your or the about to your watch this say or sre or best srepa. Woman tenacity. Now one more can be
so beti dia
and send ye I was Africa there anya US forecast say utie because ukokwaje boss ya fam
eno mum so dey
what dia o kira wo besre wo mo send ye be ya wo mo machi wo mo ne ade ade ni nyina eto ebetwa gradually play no in the before sign
sure
tibi de besia nansa na mekone dia I will tell you something
okay.
What do you, gradually, what do you expect from a short girl?
Hey, wait, no, wait a minute. No. Mebamba, hold on. Today, I had a call.
Okay.
On my way to work from a Parliament House. Na message na when the tire to no. Omo me kasa wie no.
Parliament House.
Oh yes. And I almost say, men kan kira wo say. Sa short girls no. Say obi anya hwe kra. Omo a ombe come ho abomu e wo Parliament House one. Omo abestorm here one day and they yes.
Sa abranti se we si atunani asi mantintia so me here we tie.
Me say ena wie ya o. Ena me ba ya call me nya from Parliament House.
Yeah, me person come na so tie say me here we tie. This one when na say ya no be kono.
Eti Parliament House. Short girls there. Omo I wa the pa omo yo do there.
Me here onye ni patent ni me here ni so tie.
Fa na de kan hom.
Patent.
Me tie. Eh research na ya me.
Okay, research bia.
Wo de fa na de kan hom wo de fa kan hom.
Me say what do you expect from a short girl? Obviously, she's going to be stubborn. Somebody who is refusing to grow there. She's going to be stubborn. Entire monte woman say when short girl bia what now so adena normal.
Okay.
Normal.
All right.
The heart of a woman is like a beer bar. It is always occupied. But if you have money, she will create a space for you.
Oh, okay. I got it.
I got it. Okwa moda ye fake ruby KJB. Na chese wo kan.
Na wajebi.
French ni beka cho say je vel
Capel.
Na chese what tete dem kura na.
Ombenya bo short girls no. Ombenya. Omu ni me dem ngare. Oh man. Abusia baby adu yebu asim. Na yende I get response. Yende I get response so atraso. Sofu kum chacha. Me chewa wi I hope say ohun say was sending me message. Na message no they send me no. The dinner na was atro sofu kum chacha. No they send. And me I don't like the message ni. Say from where Prophet Kum Chacha and one of the same day me. One trolley I can be. So for eti abedwa for say trobi bi kakra kan wa. Oh me man the voice note aba fe.
Oh send message abregere our trolley the Prophet Kum Chacha.
Oh but okay. I'm not being fair to Prophet Kum Chacha. Let me say now I send me earlier mahunti we na kum chacha pen buy but me course run mahunti we utim say today nti we na or say boss good evening long time I am missing you Prophet Kum Chacha. Kum Chacha I am missing you.
He said the better man say I miss you
all right so ya man penifo akasana ya boy Rams is here
before so man penifo akasana ma yanchia your personal courtesy for no na Ukraine nyame anim enye bru nyasem kwa me de ye kasma no asem
oni po de na asem ne bae no wo pejai no manen kana na nunsie
ya ma enchia me je kwa na se enye jeni unsa
eninya onye
odonza
wa zero wa zero
me who said the missing open the man penny for gas
well please I get a sport a perfect program, perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. I'll get a sport a papa. So listen to I get a stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. No. Nafi. We are now of Kum Chacha Twaso.
My name is Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be irrigated sports. There is no day minty irrigated because minty manage na me stress
over
the open program one denisham fast sports one tie irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM the famous John.
Good Kwame Akwaba now I want to say now the mic no on person obeka sem
mikasa gumpa
na baby how utini na mu
continue here ba
I say why it and we no ma twa go
menya tenten da sana metia na mic na oni patintin be maso koso we wan farm afọ
e dey Akwaba
yadwo
say bibia boko
o nyame adu bibia e fine
yes dey nyame ase mayor
Kwaku.
On say,
Yanko Pando, me who are announced.
And on traffic situation to say,
me assessment na me me Kofi na me.
But they put the one
there is a bar and chi. So what I say, Kofia, and I am not actually say,
oh, we are midnight for me.
No, me do about 9. At times 9, we do let them. So I be yes.
I be okay to mix it and
I'm saying, and yet there be
it's no true honor. One who difference be
no say and men obey assessment. One man in assessment. And there are some great.
And you know, what the hell is it?
I am be a do on that situation.
So bad normal. Hey,
traffic room.
And
That be simple to stop for one.
What you know?
But not the Kojan.
And my money, I say,
Sako, I do my Koja to Mukum. Boy, I could put an answer to me. I was out to when any pastor or Junior on no say.
I swap was it or Mamma for Friday.
Come on, Juma. Finance minister said payroll, so I want to
have finance ministry. No, I don't know. Yama quarters or April. Any be a road ministry now be come before so much. I
don't feel photos.
And they have really photos or
now you come on youth in pothole filling.
Oh yeah, make 2009 2010.
I say we now okay. Na juma ho ani paron ko she to ada kan.
Ah na juma.
What you making?
You say disabled for na the for ma o.
Anya munya na disabled. Get your ear me onya disabled o jina na so pa onya disabled.
Oh na hana.
Ah onya disabled.
Na hana o say you know.
Onya disabled.
I should know.
What's that hana suban? Just what you do.
Oni bia.
E wi ase o kimi show bia nim say bunatan.
Oh no cage mo. E be ka say other cage say.
Sa no te.
There's okay we are no dano.
Oh so ko say cage mo.
O wi your person no yaro no. Em so hoye no.
I say we are o de ho ya obeku. Hoye shi. E be show mu sa.
Me rent me fida. Na be a channel de ba me rent fida. O so na me ye na nye. But na
channel bi o nya say enye o. Wo ankasa na sika ni ho da moment.
Oh obi e bi kije mu Santa Fe 4x4. Nti one thing ka me ntua. Ana me ntua so ko ka me ntua bo asem power chow. Me do na me to sister. Me do happen mu say. Ana aka chere game akon say o say bi do won na penny ho say dey o say sister o so won kita ska o e wa no fi na yin buy. O ba me ni pe. Now we say oh who about there?
What should I hear any?
Kwaku, they are one.
Debbie, Kwame. Onya sure say Ebia nenye to.
Be a customers in Libya.
Ebia no ko sia na watching Eddie.
Because I was describing Nipan say.
Said I are typing in a way. What could you be?
Said you was describing
na o yire fi.
What was all Bobby?
Say ayi.
Bobby so dey open.
O pass questions here ka say run through abia on kai.
The whole studio be no bet maka ni dey nyina.
Oh, how?
The whole studio here wa.
Say
if you go, oka kwaku mensa. Si amount pen and paper. Si amount 3 minutes.
Enya no frɛ.
Tro amount no mo da nyina dia e bi bekam.
Ade na minti intro.
Oh, bia dia bi bekam.
Ade na minti intro.
Sika 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, na so
me jiska ni we no wa abodua no.
Kwame.
Ko na wonim.
Kwame.
Kwame. Oh, bia dia bi bekam.
Kwame. Eh.
Ya ko kra bekam.
Metro di na ma pepe me ma list. Eh kamu akwan.
Kwaku ba se me dis riga na me ankasa. Masa botu.
I'm so register.
Me ma list. Me ma.
Continuous assessment.
Kwame, me number 1. Number 2, in that order, Pepe Pesa.
Media, no credit yam, a be become.
I told you,
media can once a way.
It does say, easy, my say, if we say me breaking virginity. Some say, let's see, Obia, according to.
Come in,
I do my day, why you mean,
Kwame, no one which remove.
And no credit yam, say, Untimin Kenny,
and one of our work. I
don't want your computer.
Obia
boy, I become Jerry Justice.
Media.
Why become?
Kwame, no one our kind of coining.
Everybody be boy.
We are there, Beckham.
We'll get the crowd quite a chrome said it.
Me quite year conquer Rome, beside me, yes, sir.
I quite your kept caution at home. One said you crowd.
Oh, there.
I'm a for J band. I'm a for J
What is that, Jesse? A program, but about to come in a long time.
We'll be free.
Kwame.
My name
I feel what I be into.
Oh, that personal courtesies. As he said, yes, Mr. Divine and see you do have a home. A papa,
yeah, manager.
Only got off for a Zoom. Now,
quite a free home.
So,
Adriani on the amount and now that day was free. I'm the idea of when it is.
Maybe they got another part of movie.
My brother,
Mr. and Mrs. Obeying your phones, or dock traffic.
But as those so bad, but shy.
ɔde akɔsɛ Japan.
Star na wayɛ no de Chelsea. Star ya na de. Omoto mu nwi. Na omoto mu nwi.
Ezo maba. Ene waba.
Ezo wunya ngurani. Oso se David Madekuku wo de ya.
And I'm translate interview. I don't know.
Manama transi. Yanto tunano. Awojafo beto ano.
Osi dia.
European go no akasa rapia se kuapiniam ya.
David sanyo ne Chicago see ene dia still. Me say Sam.
Who say ko fa Sam months we answer.
Because it's good.
And say na throwback.
You sanyo ne bra.
I don't know my wo. The Ecoson to Quano, and now the Adom.
I don't know if I said no.
Mabano or the Conto.
I don't also see it low. And I to reply.
Oh, yes.
Chana ma broni edeno. This is so
Besacono.
That be so. Oh, yeah, my banner. And
Davi me de kuku ma ple koko de Canada fi fila eh. Davi me de kuku ma ple koko de Canada fi fila eh. Ayo. Davi me de kuku ma ple koko de Canada fi fila eh.
Nani devia kata nani la inko de me wuka to de fikla jima yila homa ni na tunu maduna kwa petini de ti devia kata from ple koko de kala koko la homa exacto. Davi me de kuku na mi to gbe na yila eh. Davi me de kuku lo. Adabi mede kukulo Adabi mede kukulo Dabi ex-do one kasa wa Catching. I then ultimately master languages. Not what's that na say we know your trauma now. Yeah, I just say. Okay, what's I been a kind na a broken kakra. I training I wish I be. Oh, okay. Me ya wome to I be fufi. I better for concert troupe those days. Na Nigeria ton koko ye fie ni ma. Okay. Nigeria na oton koko ye fie ni na oya igbeni but the treat in crime bia. Koko no so number 1 koko in the area. Na uko na ko country a home yawo just by force o kan be itu ko hono ma de otia ne David Medekuku meple koko David Medekuku meple trifo anafo obia just meto koko I be man ka say kanu David Maje koko yen kama maple ye solid but liquid bia ye maje so they am on intinu meno yana ye trifo na ye broken ye de say maple the kakoko calabas ba konte oka obe fuse sia omo di line no pa kankra on bia won ti no ne sound more ba me breakthrough ni ba no show am course no my rapia si me nya fans my rapia Charlie fans ne ma
the boys are bro
na bibi boom say Charlie David Medekuku me play koko me yes I grow bi me de can be
our fans.
Chicago the throne.
I never know no F4 no dozo.
I first I benuma. I be rapper eba. Inti ayo amwa. Inti yes ade no. E fa o mo ti producer me nya no. Na me to chorus no ebe pem me rap no. Noni de vekata no. Ani ade ana me freestyle ma ye. Inti me my producer and producers and said no nyanka e be ya igbe nko a. Okay. And me na me di share Chicago na me so mbra yen collaboration.
Ah, me boam for na you can boam.
Ono so because me I be me tin do actually. Inti ono no me nya na ye betimi.
On fan ndo suko.
Eh na ke be ka se me feature no. Ana collaboration.
Yeah. Opening nya okwan na ko san ho no.
Say area se dey say it. We are Saturday.
To the Chicago.
Chicago problem no. Chicago problem.
What it Chicago dey dey ban am see the village opening anka no.
Okay.
Okay, Chicago problem.
Chicago problem is where which sometimes I admit it. Yeah, young no so expect to say. Yeah. Yeah, nyum na hit no. Ono so member no recognition no. Me album no so no me who said those days you nya chance no na any hosa until you nya chance a ofre other guys we be count my album no until register you nya chance of free Kofu bebre mo buy your album until me so nya chance with free VIP TikTok boys ni na so but me ne nyum but
mede kuku no na fire and tina me ko show a and then me the way kwa ochina me the way akọ and then me the way kwa ochina me the ni aye hu em ti no once ane de na afa no na me man say recognition de bia no wo
ena de yaudie ni ba ye
ena de yaudie ni ba ye group na ye group na feature
sa re no wan ko ayama
no boku
me shock aso ko because chale be do me na me thing to me shock so ko ya na me na ano de nya ye so no
I'm no esa na onyo nya echi be so de we sha
so tanu na no so odi ebufuo no eye ba me hu ni sa me hu ni say because some many omo ye adwuma no ono producers management no many omo benya problem ye jaye nti ye jaye na no ko fa na anu ya yakabam so that was my first Asante International
anu ye
yes
na anu ye nanakin
ono na ye maba no but we adabi me the kuku yes and be within some few days weeks me sha Chicago ni omo ye adwuma
the same production. How many were
in fact, sometimes they come by. Just a woman who dimmed I
know spend the shut up. I
am a president. It's in come by. And a man, me chance, second chance, so we produce me.
Yeah.
Fred Nyama ono dem come precise music aye de mabano to the precise na tu ahon kana na king bo beat no and ye de Ashanti International so we US
There's all this of
say I say Ghana no ukanya mesem kakra ye so yesofo but ye nyina ye entitled to speak the good news to everybody but you know when the moment you started or yourself we are all supposed to be messengers of God to speak the good news yes or yourself but ukanya mesem or good news you know what say fin tete radio to say me
that beef na me ba
there nana ya wasisa then nana ya wasisa
oh okay make me say makoma this year first na men
nya no
and they inside the physical na e beti
nya no dey biem na count
imasem so me
nya no
oh
no ni so shepa
Intokasem sumeta
and tapiasem na person okay
oh I no there e no kre ntampe de na me hye but nyame adom unse me do baby na nya ma me system no me share nya ma me fi bitimi hye me na asem aso so
ani na ususu utimi hona kasa no
utimi sometimes so try
and me cause
sometimes we feel say on sani ho tita ona no so try utimi usa no we mi diagram me yi o ti mi diagram me yi so tampana me try to feel
adi na ya ebo go but for so dia
eti wana o advice
ohona na me advice me
wow
ohona na me advice me won say no ade we die emwa me eti me tampana me jai and ntampe me ka say nye me ga nya ma me but obi die oyema na obi ti
no
ni nyom no be all time favorite gogo ho
na me nche wa de
na me nche wa de
so fucking things
na be ya se so me mu suma
no way cash out means not so
Obako Gossebe, you have a sub friend or than a honam, the baby are from Sesumia, the family little city packet. Ghana member who need for you are seeing with the obey on your common and pimpy and maybe our boss. The kind of once a man, I did but you so a day the promise my home at Trofo, a Camidicano, a Trano, a Pesibrocuma, and Yamano, Namafeno, or Anima Honkafo, or Anima Mushafo, at the party with the Bia, my Banabaso, only one I'm a tete, who I'm a whole prince, what I want them and the duffy you were, Mammy, Kakami the money be and so what's ya go go to a DKB.
That I
know your sample. I know your sample. So back then, yeah, hip hop sample.
Yeah.
Sample from the Beat Nut. Me sample and Chebiana Jennifer Lopez. So the Jenny from the Black.
I'm from Jennifer Lopez.
That will taste.
Oh man, Charlie. Memories, memories.
Now, Abano, and I say, anything I never buy.
Okay.
Yeah, Afro Samba Cherish concert. I dear me when he said most of your colleagues near start here. They do no. Ye tiase.
No friend that one.
Or Basho Nibi.
Hey, no ba.
Faro baby. My friend, Omo ya active kakra mi ye ni omo ye nyum omo da so on say. Yeah, they be on UK, yeah. Na me say yemra yen kambom ne yembo concert ba choir to the Afro Samba Cherish concert. Yes, intino ye be mu na ye no Saturday we na e ba so e wo xylophone forecourt ho. Xylophone media's forecourt ho. It's Legon. Ho dey be no I say venues ni ye hwehwe na ho na. Space. Oh yeah, space. My tile for moon.
Front way is spacious.
Yes, intino. Honey, you couldn't end up saying there. Abasadi, meet me ya dear. Yes, remember you must 3. Bye, Naja. Get taking your money in a bill back on hop back group Renate in Semegado. Yeah, Mamma Minyam pay Akitichi.
Okay.
Akitichi and Minyam, almost more hits.
A TikTok, who cake for soup. Joe Fraser. Yeah. What's happening? Quite over. Hits more. I said almost some fans in any brepa.
Oh, so it's this Saturday, eh?
For Quadris was so South Squad so also. Scooby Seller.
Okay, time bang.
We patrol 6 o'clock near starting.
Okay.
Ghana time.
Okay.
Saturday we are. We patrol more brana more from Munimunyam and my one thing ever touch my
Sure.
Yeah, film most of my fear. Yeah. Young witnesses some nostalgic feeling. Tickets in the day, Upe about Honoma
at the gate. Okay.
Yes, Oko star 713 star 33 star 38. And I'm for
yeah, fast ticket.
I'm for yes, star 713 star 33 star 80 hash.
Oh, okay.
And I saw probably visit Ego ticket online. Okay, repeat me to ticket to her. But over front one mabenya free for ladies.
Okay.
Before 9 o'clock.
Sisi oya boys no baby.
Sisi oya. Yet me from winning na answer.
Munya bi.
Na the lifeline say the boys from Kabanya to more town.
Akaba akope. Akope na that T-Blaze. Ba no me ne kasa o London sisi ati the wentimi amba.
Okay.
But for now the omo was
so system no pay.
Omo was so Squad I mean more banner no. It's free for ladies before 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Oh, do your bad yeah. Free.
Until 9. All right.
Me take it.
Okay. I don't cast out the Beman girl, or be the Beman girl. All right, Charlie, go ahead. That's so bad. Pass it through. I mean, what my car in your money, Charlie, that's it. You bet you are Adom.
Now, what the we didn't share show be as no, Mammy who said me only me, Papa. Send Talia mission in
I don't come back to don't come back to
I don't know, is that nanti na am for officer style o atale ne soso udro ultimate nanti straight
na iron ni video bi ono so ne nyum bi sa combat session te sem kwada be 40
o de
odalo Adom FM 106.3 feeling you deep.
All right, so Xdo and also didn't ever from me. Oh,
sometimes you want to not mess with me starting rap no. This same period more. Yeah.
But so catch us the money and also you on my brain be a pal.
Be a fat. Who said? Me to me say me free kokwa bank crime am fa hwe
te be ka ho
atade a hye me
ana nyum sunya de abeka ni nyina
madam fu bi me ko jani ma kakra na fa ni kwasi grey ono to careless
yes so de go man jam we dey
so ono otichi do machi wona me ko jani ma kakra ma say me tie me na chi aba
o na chi ma
to me ba na man ko bi em
gudu da de mpa ko jano
da bi ba ni na de me ton ni
o de gudu bi asa man kankan we
ba na kwaku rap na say me sa ko rap bi
obi ben kwaku peso do ben kwaku na ya Thursday ya throwback idea ya boni mena bia na
Thursday
obani sa Thursday ni biem
Thursday
ya fan fofo
over ba
Yeah, hello.
Na over my dre
Mbajo ya ni wani say just
me ho ya pa over na over wa woda no part no e ho asam to say
I would have party. Many.
Umpa ya ndi ya pe. Umpa ya pe.
No minim say ka beto pno kakra na nka ya babia.
Pro. Metro Dex.
Ofa umpa party ya pe ti ya man.
Okay, ofa the home ni say ya friend ya ma otinkwa. Nyame onko so ana onhia na onyo kese. Oma onyi chena said the ukrokra dada na ade ina no chese enkoso saa.
Amen. Me ukrokra. You want to be jam ko we.
Ati di ofa we de. Yes omre kra na ye ma otinkwa.
Oh, me that ba be tiani ala mu jina so.
Obuna ajoso.
Me to mushi wo na ma papi si gba mba bi di. Ba ya very fast.
Okay. Let me go at you. Bye. Abuja acrobat tonight and then I would and then I would
this year meeting or
kwaku say na make an throwback. Ndi
and not kwaku say throw no.
Thursday Thursday na mo
Thursday.
What's it?
Thursday.
Okay, yeah.
And I throwback.
Yeah.
We want to get to me
throwback.
And any 3 days I'm a ball.
And it's best SF.
Mohammed Ahmed Polo. Me born ni birthday asemso. I said Kwame wa woni mu say. House of folk and then me gina mama wo mo. Ma me infantry mani mu say. Ma me house of
Udi has yet your body, you know, out of there.
As a book,
out of Fanta, and your cook.
Mohammed Ahmed Polo, and I saw was so on so Ukoba, set as in the house of folk party, Mobium.
Now, as some better, okay, that's what I know, Becca. As any birthday, any uncle, cake, Yaman. Oh, Kwame, what I want to cut out some
There you do beso just papa no. Me men kasa into what you do ni.
Yes.
Do free ha. Multimedia adwuma na ya no wo ska aboa no. Na free akoya me di birthday ma.
Ti dey make kasa wo. Won ma men kasa nwie. Me kasa ko di.
Buda me na me kire ono. Ayo ni ba fa bi sie. Na free akoya me birthday ma. Ha? Obi enye ni pa. Adom aba akọ ho birthday na hu se mpo ko di ama no.
O ye ko di bi.
Ko di ba wi a ba ko pe kire me.
Di eja no ko e to purman ha. Aba ka basi. Eja no to purman. Aba ka basi. Na
na kwa me ye you know. Ena say opani ba ku yi etro nkaba no say Jerry tell about there to be careful. He's going against boys code on radio.
When you be failing dia.
Uni mo pani who whatever.
Peringasi.
Tani sky na tadi.
David, when you fish guy or the mami Opani bado waza osi jai do yaro. Opani be you from Mpe.
I have me who ate o. Me me bia ba mama pe.
Tila me ka so.
So je ba ko pe o mo nsem dia.
Mame. Di enti America polo asem.
O de fe no man ba no so on try.
Ekitana na igina nuansa.
Ya ko fa Bible be se onye Bible no fan say o si anu no fa na chida. Na obusa na yin say mi wu ade na obenya. What's a little profit you?
That's why I use a community. Now, Polo asem America. Polo si di enti o kan sa ne say o share kotoko players or no ball see so ball no o hwe o hia o mu sesi a no hwe so no so ball house ni di o jima Ghana na se tie no a na ne ra
na say me see opon kroma onim ka no use
twa me
na ye radio
onyo no kre
opon kroma ni na ye radio me wa dum no no drive
na be o beto no wa ma to kwaju
wa na kwaju no kroma wa no
so ba na kwaju ko
8 years ni me ba kroma
me so ba na kwaju ko
asana kwa boy we kan Jerry me ba na opon kroma dia
na wo ye we
ani nya radio
asema na
ko ko me radio
du beso chese o mo a
beso me chese football no bi abone de nti polo fa no ko tutu obi
o de beto to bi na wo se kotoko policy bi o mo woni se high sense match bi on be ye be mo 4000 de ma would play
mo ba mo ni fo ye na nye
say you know
se me wo ha
ya kan ya dia we beti
I know come video
wo mo ni message woni boss wa na udi America ko bi o ko bi na recharge mo
ma video amo
ba me ma me ne kra no Abrantia former player friend no ama Senegal
2015 when Facebook for you man
amo
2015 na
ama Senegal say Kwame ti de make na catch has mpanimfo wo say one Frempong manso akasa na Kotoko Players Association no peso kodom
no ono wo Kotoko
wo so ama Kotoko da na won support us hu ase ko mi reason ni say
high sense for so she no why obi o ai konfobia also ko pe no na o ma Kotoko win because Kotoko win ni fe 4
obedi asha no ho wo say has mpanimfo pese players no ka be team
na old players so aje 4000
Kwame ala na mo yesa wo say old players no pese be team no ho na wa try say
o ko so coach no oba ni ase fa team ni mani ko ti ana ana ko technical instructor
say one ai campon team
ana oba hu so oba den
say one na Kotoko players
obi ata oba den be
so na udi o menga so udi o mate
mini nimpo
Kwame sa subana has mo fa na nye iman bana amadida waka wo say one wo mu no so obo has
ana me tell say multimedia wo nye ska boa no na fi ha kwa obi a me he obi
enye sa hia wo mo players ambom di obi ne ho hia
je me ka wuti ana
je mpese me tell say nye sika ntino mo kasa
company ni din na wa yere ho a
enye sika ntino players no mo kasa o
mine ni nyi ade
je me ka wuti ana me say how we wunya ska pa sie na wo kwa no anu no
enye sika ntino players ne kasa ama Senegal
Fana ka so fo
anya so fo David pa tutu aso David ahati se Kotoko
kwa sama mi obi ya tio ba ku so se bro me
o ye boye ni tre wa
media me su ku se
ba le juma ni ndina wa
sa su ba mu ya de mu ya nyina no kura ka o mitina wa ko ya sa no woni se so bo wie na opon adwuma na hwe
ya Stella de Mercy penthouse amani kumase Stella Mercy penthouse amani kumase
aseme na okay
what are you talking about
Kwekwa sample tela.
Baby could get in the face.
Boy, he's going to say, yeah, 12 call, yeah, Catholic YouTube, continue.
So, yeah. I can't say.
Oba we do a country.
And this can walk out.
Also, can you get protocol?
Old place no. Because more check. The catch was 19. Muti 1911.
Mesi mo ya mo den.
Muti timi na nte ya ba ya. And anti abeda no.
Plus mo ya mo den. And then I say high sense. I discover.
Yeah, kwase for so why.
Mo ya old place no.
Because high sense control.
Old place baby. Mayor. Come do am.
Nya no kre.
Baby o come say.
I say bi am bobu.
Oi.
Now,
Messi yanko asemfo froso. Yanko asemfo froso.
Dr. Asemfo froso there.
O de yanko asemfo.
Moment polo say.
So you throw back.
Yentro hwibie mu eno and o Thursday no.
One here. Me catch that say. Mo no mpani for nkasa na mo place. Mo mo kwa no so meeting kakra bi nso kwa na say mo recognition mo pay.
Dey make catch on tia say na. O polo di na kaka ho. House of Folk old player, that is enough.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. Former worker.
Me say let's move on.
Former worker.
Don Shege say Enchiankoma Reverend David Zitobo ana Zitobo ose otie program ipa ofa eniago.
Next time we dey mama nya voice note nka.
Yes Zito.
Obani answer na me come asem so no. Say dey odo bi nkre mani eya enua Charles T.
Yeah.
The last one dey Phil Murphy.
Yeah.
By New Jersey. Na say you guys won't be ye no Ghana Fina US Gene Basu. Nia Casapano Senka, Mitunya me adma, watchna na mekona. Say Niama Baku.
I see you are so much at Emma.
Oh, I want to so my guy.
Now, when I say, we were going to a month vote. You
couldn't get him a monty. We are this yam.
We were going to a month vote.
You are this yam. Why? It's Yami Adma Saturday in a Yene Basu, New Jersey. Yeah, it is. I am mom for
Waka Yasemedia, Misso Maconta, about the weekend. Takota Potata, Mount Yako. Opani, now Oyakolana, would have that
son of Fenno, Potata. Oh, Abosoka, who do Abosoka? Be a Potata.
Call I was talking in shop and quite my first. Some sister the commands, the Minia Bema or real school on a bachelor or Jimmy Store.
Okay.
And I was so kind of man. Now, we quite first more. Now, I first will do one because what I didn't mean. Every market move back, now you sign and pa, then found call. If your man for a boy, my whole process, I want another family. On farmer, the affairs in the copy of my mom farmer. You may need come out.
Now then, I'll sign Fanco.
There's no confirm. Come short. I go back to my own back.
I don't want to have a conversation. You
can't support one answer and confirm.
Okay. Who told me to do it? And I say, I'm tired. Fanco, come back to me.
Tomorrow, I'll make you a while before I did. No, I must tell my dear. There can affect.
Oh, yes, answer our first will be a man.
Radio, but what?
We are calling me fear. I don't I couldn't tell me anything. If you thought that we are just secret, you're not going to penny was here. I just see a short in a good form after the last 1 year.
I think you know, Castle.
I mean, you go to the home. Who you know how you know? My year, you know, or the Sato somebody.
Send a photo. In the back of photo.
Kwame message me about at the amount. Country links travel and tours.
Okay.
Penny.
Okay.
Madam Joyce Obin.
I saw them back.
I say me country say o peso tu kwa o obetimi ama Canada visa kra ne ade ante say o pe.
Canada se pa me pe akọ.
Ne office no aboso kan wa. Ne office no aboso kan wa.
But we just the number mam. Why? Over there anybody.
Na you try test. No answer for mama na me.
Madam be akọ no Bloomgate wan no. What is saying? Estate me no Bloomgate me no na ko here.
Balloon Gate.
I say I have for the number mommy. It's a number in you was man. Why? Mr. On one of frame. I said number no mean you.
Now I fraud the other and I said the other half a number.
Some boss fraud into no obi fraud free brochure na aba
local number.
On frame twice in the local number. It was me number no.
Okay.
Tell testimony.
Ghana embassy war and as high commissioner war South Africa. Eddie Abase, and Yano say,
Ghana Dino,
Ghana for and Ramotis Assembly, say, and Yano Cre. And now, Ghana Football Association, so attitude the South Africa for the Cananasa now, opening your fans are but I think he has it almost the same
as a grass are grown as we are brought
the batty to what I say, Ferwasi and a batty to I dare South Africa. I say, Omunyan was a no woman, Nashania Shomo, yet Chiamuch and Bishop. Ah, now only say, yes, we are Kahumbi. So that's it. It seems no injured than yet. This is a
petum
black and white, as a wine neck. Echo show more to me.
Ghana Blaster said Ambro Jesse.
Oh, yes.
And your Ambro Jesse, dear Papa. Yeah, crowd of folk. Tim now just Papa say.
Family. You can't just look at the
Ambro, one company, whether England or Kwaku Toyota South Africa, different from Toyota America.
Now say Obia on his specs.
It's still Toyota.
Maybe buy a Toyota, but Obia on his specs.
But Obi got a year Toyota.
Oh, Kwame, T. I didn't I will be on Kotoka because American spec. You own the car, even
$20 American spec in South Africa. The specs are the thing they put in the car. South Africa, cars on one casa, a year, a use soprano. South African spec, just like America.
Oh, T.
Franchise in
Obianim sense when buy a check.
Tell you living a franchise.
Now, come. I can't just go to Quashem.
Sabrina, what's your mutune or moon? Even cry, you know, when a boy African Cup qualifiers. And you know, when a group in Yashe.
Was it a young man? Why day? Was it? Obekaza. Quado, Casa, yes, also Becaza, Quado.
I started building up a free insurance. So
Kaswa, I'm not again.
Kaswa, I'm making.
And teacher said, Tonu Grand Mugra still our traffic. No, not as a photo sound for us, you okay?
Traffic, no. Yet, Tobu to Nunquan. So, Tobu to Nunca.
Yeah.
What of the channel? Now that's what John say. I'm a speed ramble view and it's a ramble strikes view. It's a pedestrian crossing into no.
Yeah.
And into no, it is a okay. It can't even what peso. So, oh my, footbridge now confirm fast so now oh man clear say
yeah. It's any not just a ye to nephew on. And say on back clear ups need to view on that.
I guess I'm still I don't know.
Okay. You could you dance a pa any woman that be your man about money. Oh, to buy now. Did you go here? That's why. On our report to you, so go do for your mamma instead of my money bottle. There be and yes, I know you know. Or say 1% more yashi. Also,
and I'm a cancer traffic. You told me to know the answer. So the
net traffic in Kwanso Tina, you told
the man mentioned it, or can I say a fee any traffic?
Man, I'm a back as well.
Who's say a flow?
And I'm always so only ramps in fuel because it was that trouble need to know this ramps no baba on it no me ramps in fuel.
A honor so crano. A Kwana said the AKV in no. It's a car draw.
Unless you slow down.
One police for us.
Yeah, problem does no my ready. For to does
and I me buy me mount assessment means I'm
saying me buy me new story be am fa we atwam.
Kasa tintin bebre be wa kwan na
I don't know am story.
Number of nipa nkrofo ya run ti go ti mabuku ni ade.
Time grass was so ko abegna fa fe be story.
South Africa dey no nwe
I mean you na o de
South Africa from India.
say FIFA the crack aba say
na South Africa for omo pay as but omo pay answer some we expo bi wo South Africa ho na omo de application ko piem wo kwaku yes say do bi agya bi atwa piem ko na South Africa for
omo say e de ankom be jawe
yes like omo ye awa piem na TV application wo South Africa na
omo say free na ko enkom be jawe
omo ya we say you say a local team from Ghana but some of packaging one way omo say ya piem
yeah I give up for you ni bia
da bi we obi so ade awa ye no
okay
and no mo de ko expo no wo
yeah fancy na yeah fast that can say my proud sponsors Willett Properties say brand ebeji asase yeah ne yeah special discount sales also Christmas inti atete asase nyina so kra anti ne kra no kanya de obenya asase ewo Tripoli airport city Mpotemo 4000 ato but ne ubetimi anya asase wo 4000 Asutware junction ubetimi anya asase 4000 ato ho Dowenya ubetimi anya asase 6000 Ayikuma ubetimi anya asase 10000 Apollonia pram ho nyina no yatete asase bi egu ai yatete so special discount sale aye it temu akopem se bedi bonya wi take advantage of this promo na faji asase bi na secure to kama your installment payment plan so ho abetimi de treat ya de akan kakra yeah, free site visit and a free document 0244 756 984 and a 0243 740 485. Now it's saying
answer no mekono enra kumansi asante kotoko in key deal sponsorship deal achese we Volvo ya ebe ya eto nchen ya ye ne betika for asan contractor 1.3 million Ghana cedis and involved a 2-year contract.
Okay.
It's if you remember is 630 something Jamaican. Is 6.something billion. What I say? Now for also nam kwemu ba na area ye kwa ye ka bi ma house of folk. National lotteries.
From bia who mean business bia no if you come to this country and you mean business you cannot do football business without engaging a class of folk. Simple. If you go to Kotoko, you have to come to Accra. Because this is the way you're holding your
now then, this is any other deals now coming down and they won't come.
If they mean business, they'll come to Accra.
Cash and amount for AD every hour, every day, every week, every month. Now, grand cash prize now kasani 100,000 Ghana cedis. Obebo star 500 hash. Now what flow prompt now? Not just say what you to your points. Now what talk data bundles? What you swear 30% per one simple questions. Not just say who boost your points no call him sir. So don't miss out. Now a dial star 500 hash never home a shame yeah. Airtel to go to me so promo. We need a number back up and yeah they free 0260 00 is simple. Mema akosua girl so shedding nyame adoma weekend yi na ono so ne papa yi no baso nti eno so ejinamu denden nti weekend yi ewo Oboba village ewo Nkoko nti eho na nti good eti akosua yebeba
27 so man from kai say
yebeko walk yeah yebeko walk
6 pepe 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Started from.
Yeah.
More boom mayo near ko. It was so do ya do 5:30. Now we treat room for one more train. The buy ya poa.
Not just any.
Because we with the Lord's Tavern.
Pediasi.
And every aerobics echo piece of it all back. See, so we do my aerobics. And chat the amount now so not at it. That's a very aerobics.
It is a area when be pam. Mr. Eti ani mu crying area. Say we dey nan wa so glass na we see na. Na car. Na me akra na ma park mu car see ani mu na ba na me nyina car ni si ani mu see ya na. Lady bi twam na. O kwa na abranti bi kire ne say ne zip no. O hye je nsam say ato afa so say bio say den yo. Eti obo ni mu ase kakra na ohu ye no. Ehho ahopepre no say nani kire kwan mu say nti na mamti no. O de bete ehho no mu say no. Na chese wa ye na odan ni say ya chese wesi mu e me so na me so me tigrasi mu eti e wa pe na me so me ya say chese o de bi da bi ni mu ade ndi wa say e wa no wa say
oh ana mo
it is out there say ye me go me na me come say we so be kwe ni Abusia first day di oma Kale Charcoal toothpaste. Toothpaste papa. Ya de ne pa na agumo. Ya bidie ya charcoal ya bi wom kama. Ebwapa ma onya good fresh breath. Whiter teeth. Ma gum ne. Wasena nkasa no. Very strong and healthy. Prevent cavities. Things be a was to be so no. Ni nyina ebeko. If it's Samara Company Limited, available on market, baby. FDA is why I'm moving more to me say, yeah. Kale Charcoal toothpaste, happy smile. As they do from Casa Preco Company Limited, yeah, nay, or the promotion change go pa ashishaso. Now I said the amount for the one Jimono or say free Sabre copying the 31st of December 2021. Brana Ebeto a combination of any of our soft drinks. Marco 1,000, Otto 1,000 packs of combination of any of our soft drinks. Now I'm 100 packs for free. Oh yeah. It do kikabum sa netana endu 1,000 packs. Now I'm 100 packs free and franca home. Our promo we air cost all our accredited key distributors across Ghana. Casa Prekundepo one cry how was Pintes, Kumasi Tan or so afete Chiman ho any tamale ho nyinano. Ejinamu den. Untimi 19 ma there friend. Nature and drinks now open up. Yakabumwa na edu 1,000 packs now. Now for your sign do 100 packs free no the akanwama. Near bed deliver the amount doorstep free of charge untia for delivery. A departure for Casa Preco Company Limited is here 050-162-074 and off 050-156-2072 and share Kakra on one hour channel. So Casa Preco Company Limited, a step beyond excellence. Go TV set connected. Now what me enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, and our Premier League near that leagues outdoor now can a ban of football papa pana. Nina Jemu we're connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. While bro use my Go TV app. Now we're trying to come pa. Go TV. Love it. Yeah, fast day do my in boost herbal measure. AKA police nedruno papa my immune system no wine den infections be anti ma kwam e ba ya pa na head no away no I free eti bomodin amount sa enka bi ne no in boost herbal mixture AKA police nedruno eno ene be boa we introduce edruno e ba ya system ni mu a e ko nipadua na kwa ba bia no an investigation or show baby a problem wa no cleaning now obey dirty works ni na the amount come on King's Walk Herbal, Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, all alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop Road St. John's, and of Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5. When you be all, and yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and our 0246 208 496. Do be a winnie biano Sabeka.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
And this one here says you are 8 years today.
Gangnam Style.
Elio. Nana Kojo Chre Fojo. Kojo Chre music Kojo Fojo and a man who mudin won. Jeja. As may you stand tall in knowledge and in wisdom in your generation. May the hand of the Lord guide you into the future in His grace and skills to stand up for your generation. Happy birthday, son. We love you from the Fojos. I just say, Busianina and Ede Emmanuel. And I'll say, please wish Mr. Vincent King Arthur of SIC Life Savings and Loans a happy birthday for me. Today happens to be his birthday. Also coming in from Listowell, Kojo Fojo. We also say, greetings, Jerry. Kindly wish my son, Nathan, Fixon of Henderson School and East Legon Hills. A happy 8th birthday for me. Nyame Onshano, Omani Nyansa, wisdom, knowledge, understanding, retentive memory. Nina Radin Fankanho from the mother Angela, Grandma Theodora, and then your brothers Kobe, Kelvin, and then your little princess as well. We also say hello, bro. Kindly wish Black Jar of Dallas, Texas, a happy birthday for me. And then Black Jar or Dallas. Yama happy birthday, Nyame Osha na Onkao. We if you 21, also in Dallas, in the United States of America.
Samisoriano pa Kel Chaco toothpaste na me twitwi me se. Emma me confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite guso na mesre a. Eya wanwawa hu me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Oba ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy sen ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for
media magic Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. E ma sinye fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa ENG
Kel happy smile
FDA aje edwadin krato ya tomo
Onia Ghana hadie tugu me so nyum no no bia de sa o efri se Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitigu obia so tugu me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wodi be friend network bia ego bia so don shiri bia de bia sa ko se December e wo tugu me so promo ne mo na chede botin wan so anka se esisiwo no 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na kwaso afa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bia na wetimi abekani pampempema wo be win sika be bru 1 million Ghana cedis no ho entibu trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow any offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Rientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dodon dance yes, say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, you want suing, you know, a boy who buy every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntum Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Majatu say.
Samisoriano pa Kel Chaco toothpaste na me twitwi me se. Emma me confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite guso na mesre a. Eya wanwawa hu me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Oba ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy sen ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for
media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania mamenum di bidie twitwi yense no asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC fita emana hoden ne sayi nkabia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo Kel charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel, happy smile.
Food is beyond just what we eat. It's about the love and passion put into making it. It's about the senses we awaken when we take that first sumptuous bite. It's an expression of passion that makes us feel alive. Let MasterCard take you on an adventurous journey into the colorful, tasteful, and visually appealing world of dining. Discover exclusive culinary offers and help support local business with MasterCard. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Wondering what to do with your Cerelac 400-gram tin? The new Cerelac Wheat 350-gram pouch value pack is the ideal choice to refill your tin. It is affordable, convenient, and still provides key nutrients, iron, vitamin A, B, and D, zinc, and iodine to support normal cognitive function and help promote optimum growth and development. Grab your value pack at a retail shop near you. Cerelac 350-gram, more for less. This advert is FDA approved.
Abraye guswa din kabom ekwetia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ema wa kwanya hodwa. Wodi betina fie. Abo ho ban na watumi di usikasem ahyewa wonsem. Fa Ecobank mobile didra bebia ne abrebia. Se wo Ecobank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so fama ne sika. To credit, to our bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika pudo na oni endi didra. For your internet banking no so. Ecobank QR code ma okwan ma ofa abefu siketua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadi Walker, one for Sikapotin, Entia, Tri Ecobank Mobile, and Neya will Google Play Store, App Store, and I am Facebook page, and now star 770 hash, and will phone Biaso, Nasha see Didra, Ecobank, General Ho, Kaisa Obama Quine, Adaunia for frontem, Eata Horo and Sa, and Afi, and phone Sankiko and him. So here, Mwebia, for Ecobank Contact Center, it was 0800 003225, I won't Tiashi, and now Fermo, it was 0302 213 999, Abrebia. Debia. Snefira Bo Hubai, Ecobank, the Pan African Bank.
Enfia na ntam ne suku dan ebukumu suku nkwada basia ewo breman jamra yayaya nti betena se ayehwehan ama torentam kasiese bi asan ababa betu yembio tepida ni santi na sese yedi ntubuan kakra ede si suku dan foforo man kwada waka kire no kitwa bi enso ni santi na multimedia adwako no ene Star Ghana Foundation akabomu a wodi ntubuan kakra ede apagya suku dan yi esi hɔ no ebio kakra biara ekuta wo pese wode boa no wobetumi de afa mobile money number iso 059 303883 059303883 anase ubeko Access Bank account number no eye 009010105491 Castle Road branch code no eye 009 and street code no so eye ABNGGHAC afenso so pese wotinse fufuro bi anase mo biara pese udeba yenmo asoye anase office no ubetumi afre 0302 216540 0302 216540 the classroom project yenam to kakra ne ahumobro yeso emma asetena mu ayeye.
What will happen if you lose your voice where you know if you take Shaltox lozenges?
Hello, Master Shan. Master Shan, you say no?
No.
Oh, okay, I'll carry your contract, give another person.
You hear? Make you not lose your voice. Make you take Shaltox lozenges. It get natural active ingredients like ginger, turmeric, valeric, licorice. We meet today, monk. Your sore throat cool down and fit fight other throat irritation. I want the contract. Think natural? Think Shaltox lozenges. It be quality products from Shalina Healthcare. Get Shaltox lozenges for pharmacy near you. If symptoms not disappear after 3 days, consult your doctor.
This advert is FDA approved.
Coffee winnie. Now what can say hey? Now no me buffer will soap him and yama for Nadia Shemu say to when you know Tana.
Okay, me hint some advanced Ghana savings and loans.
Advanced Ghana savings and loans.
Yeah.
And to bet to me abuame mamanya bosia bueme jumayimu.
Annie?
Means yes ikawo way. What bet to me abuame?
Only how cry. Advance when the sounds on our bosia to name go shop mu and now what to feed for and now the kuyu nyama wakraba and yet didn't cry. What you want to jina advance? Aha, what woman kaye one saka deposit biam de fam momo account no so akugu won mobile banking service no mu enti wetime sika sem tutu nyina every mobile phone so abribiara.
Wow,
Oh, Matthias Samdapa. Na bro coffee. Men no advance for you.
Call Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and Krabate Duno ewa Omaya Fanabe Bia. Fred toll free 0800 355 355. Anna anyone in Kitahon or Abefwe Fidient and Tankasianeso. www.advancedghana.com. Advanced Ghana. Yanewu Nini Boom.
Celebrate something big with Showmax this football season. Pay for 1 month of Showmax Pro or Showmax Pro Mobile and get a second month on us to watch mind-blowing football action from the world's best leagues. That's every breathtaking tackle, save, goal, and more from the EPL, La Liga, Serie A, and DStv Premiership. Live from Supersport at 50% off. Sign up at showmax.com and get more for less.
Say donut, 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 donut. Hey, donut, 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 donut. Donut, donut. Then come cut some donut. Donut, donut. Malaria syrup donut. Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till no not now. Wogonto malaria too. Wohopopo. What when the day? I want you. No donut. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat it scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu hu se malaria wa umojam ansana wanum Lonat. Na nam yensearch na malaria no daso wo ho ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Jagalolomi worship experience. Abaso tendente. Branayan Kambo, Mayan sorry erade. Branabesha Juntufobi to say. Ohima Mercy. PSC Esther. Empress Gifty. Papa Chrissy. MOG. Joe Metal. Uncle Ato. Elder Dr. Breku. Dr. Paul Oko Hartman. Reverend Frank Owusu Boateng. And Afiyan Kasa. Chief Supo. Kofi Sapon. Kahun Sechumadi Abaso 28 November 2021. A Sunday after church. 3 p.m. Our the Assemblies of God Church. Fountain of Glory. Our sprinters, flower pot, opposite Palace Mall. Come and experience the presence of the omnipotent God. Sponsors, agent group of companies, Snapiaba, Tabia Haba Misha, Kafam Limited, Tobinco Pharmaceutica, Zoom Lion, Adonco Next Level, Vibrant Multi Limited, Pamondi Boutique, Luxury Closet, Edicare Collection, Kiflem Energy Console, Media Partners, Multimedia Friends, 0244 985797. The Jack Alolomi Experience. You'll be blessed beyond curse.
Food is beyond just what we eat. It's about the love and passion put into making it. It's about the senses we awaken when we take that first sumptuous bite. It's an expression of passion that makes us feel alive. Let MasterCard take you on an adventurous journey into the colorful, tasteful, and visually appealing world of dining. Discover exclusive culinary offers and help support local business with MasterCard. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Usikabo, a Brebiera, me the Vodafone cash best and Sika free aqua network for Biasno. But this sound that we are penetrating semi first one only 1% and now 1.5% charges in beer in Yasem. Free transfer of Vodafone cash Swan Echo. Only a Massica kits will be out. Anio, si sika dodona abra wodi Vodafone cash send sika ko network dodona so charges biara kan ho send sika dodo empren dodo bia ope ko network biara ope so abra yente o kapra kra na si sika fama enyome hu hia o masika ketwa biara ho kwai dial *110# na send sika free.
Vodafone.
OfieKwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. With the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Mama get there, so me fell bro. Yeah, me fell bro. He said,
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
We know come to play. See, I'm a friend. I swear, he said,
This year more like, last year more vibes, next year crowd your bedtime. About me whole vibe, this way me fair. Me I saw the back, now so Saturday I me money papa. When I'm in the club I want all the bottles, me I call it back. Gucci, you will live, where MDK minute. Mommy do you mommy? Say one man dem I bro. For Monday after that, I prepare for weekend. Making money back. This is Adom FM. This is all the days you the guy with the work with the dough, but today we know. Making money back. Making money back. My side came home for the weekend. And yeah, be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me chillin' me on the weekend. My side came home on the weekend. And yeah, be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me chillin' me on the weekend. Caption. We can buy a compassion. I deserve to feel some action. Hey. Friday night, yet at the woman, my bread weekdays, my min Jimmy. Yes, I'm a crab in the area. You got to the beach side, the continental, and red wine bar, where every yeah, one of me, Jessica. What time, and come good, come in Nika. I can drink me more Nipetica. Me soon, I mean to mean Sumsika. Yeah, papi bottles, the glass and crown. If you get there, you're passing crown. I took you where moon to gas and crown. You can to do a cash and crown. I came home for the weekend, and yeah, be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me chillin' me on the weekend. My side came home on the weekend, and yeah, be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me chillin' me on the weekend. Boo boo bia, di bia, yeah bia, dog your problems there. Forget your sorrows there. Yeah bia, yeah bia, boo boo bia, di bia, dog your sorrows there. Forget your problems there. We did it for weekend. I'm a near for weekend. Weekend. This weekend. Yeah, tell you for weekend. The weekend. Yes, every weekend. Tell him I hustle for
last weekend from Opanka. Bringing us to filler time, you know what I mean? Yeah, the filler twice to see and I sure about me patch on man rain free say. Also bet me ashena.
My side came home for the weekend.
What do home AJ the classroom project you made emo hashtag nunum dada give for change.
My side came home on the
kakra bi abet me dia tum dia man na yentimi efan yi nkola etete classrooms are aye death trap no if you why and the patron number is 059 303 8832 059 303 8832 edine was no Joy FM. Person do the NFL Bank and so on. Patch Access Bank account number is 009010549191 Castle Road Branch. Swift code is so ABN GGHAC ABN GGHAC. Person friend Edin command patch 0302 216564. Your phone number is 0302 216 540. Made it on air the mom. 0302 216 540. The Classroom Project, promoting social justice through philanthropy. I say at last you, I must say there. I feel like
Yeah, mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2.
Okay, I say
Roger.
Na Bibia Sheye.
And then no Bibia Sheye.
Bibia Yoku.
Bibia Yoku, Papa.
Okay.
I said, I'm better than your children.
Oh, sir, make us a problem no day.
Problem no day, but then, yeah, the filler be, but then, oh, yeah.
file ya bɛka ho asɛm bia ɔyɛ asɛm a wɔasi dedadawa ɛnyim dɛ wɔsɛ taa keep mframa wɔ wie ma ahwɛ a blaster
no ɔkyerɛ ɛwɔde release
a bɛgye boom na kyerɛ ayɛ yi na asɛm bi osi wɔ university bi o Ghana higher o university bi na guy ati boss no see what mission to me ya na me yi na why pampi na the lectures so the lectures so kyerɛ wo wie no wo so auditorium ha na boom senior plus suit attitude you be attitude no be jaw is that some more to the university
it's not just advice no say oba releasing
exactly even if it's being simple
releasing free
because beans is a factor on my the means it's nine
all right
it's in there yensam naze de bia makada yensam no oye home papa pasuye first issue I record menu age papa because for 4 solid years no group bi ya Ghana for so ye penwana asam P Square one castle for 4 years nanda no bibia ya asomdwe ndeda na wobomo ndeda na wobom nanda so ye one birthday nti imagine the celebration
wow that's
video
nice.
On the Facebook or tran
that's nice
because over the years no one man
guys remember Facebook now me share Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook you see the brothers together hugging each other oh man it's nice oh wow
nti yenenyu age papa
unu adone enka bumie
wanyum kubia wo boy o yam de pa na collabo she was on collabo
oh sanyo ni title then I got me that's that
collabo nine
okay
so wa go me another collabo yen fan shisha do mo one
oh wow it's a good thing say omo etimi akabum because ankanya hwe kra de brothers de na mo je sa na mo esa say enye guys
nti baby enyi job baby henenyu aja mo hon na
that's fine
Bajari asanso atmore kodu biewa
eba azem
Davido
Charlie the boy make history
na must
he shock me
exactly
it shocked me. What the flow.
The missing ya way here mpo. Say na band umpa sane post to status umpa. Senior, one casio, Redderson. Why worry shaman on Facebook one. One casio. As a two one hour 0 views, a besan say baby. Obiaran kashi.
Charlie.
Na guy no why as uncle fatcher or do. Bayi na nkofu bebree bi sade ningi na ne ho hia na
but you see maybe my issue is that this is a rich guy
you
know what I'm saying and you say boy got do you know what I mean and why you way so and amount for responding and look at the amount of money we receive from friends especially also on the wa my hit song pay bia and even no feature this I mean send him cash and people started sending. In the sea, and I say, Mitimi Yabiwa, media no so say, Jeko Ghana musician Bia also my wow pain, my promo to pain.
Exactly.
Also send me cash. Nami just on beya, almost as almost gospel for me casa me kaya list endless. He apply for 4, half one for just say, ciao. Ya promo to Musana there. So pan so be because oh this why they Charlie he had this boy just a short video and then now we are sending Charlie and Ghana for artists new grand now so I send it and look at the amount of money he generated from just that
exactly Bajai Montreal no na ma so metina hwe ma so meyabio because a whole I say
oh yeah I say
it's Facebook for
entimunim me number no all musicians in Ghana munna musubun send mo me number no mun send
Bajai yenyi packet ngitina yeta no
Charlie
Inti very soon we bank account ni yedi bibia botum. Na wa send am hen.
Yeah.
Yen san so ntia dey. Iya dey onye nyiji bebre dam. Ehu ai dey Korea wa yare husem bi but we nye nsi bi dam. And we pray for it not to happen to anybody. Oye ya yen mame gift auntie. Na inde danonka driver be ya wa rough bi. Wana ka echi. Cheden kodzo bom style bi kra. Obi na person no nyima az crossi. What do you mean?
How?
I mean, what do you mean?
How?
Nti no Ghana ha ya driver yen hweye. Yen drivers no chocho what cause confusion wo road do. What cause confusion e dey yan ye careful sisi a obobo. Nti no ye catch one. The one you careful more ye mami mo mo destroy on na ba na me. Yen pair office mbia.
Sure.
Na ye kan last in. Mo otwa to mpo no ono mpo de oye fekeke. Makado oye fe wa yen ko into details.
Okay.
Into details n. Ewu da yan papa dampare. IGP orugbo adwuma.
Yeah.
Nanso nyimpa 1 or 2 bi wapada wa eden. Wo impersonating. No sidan na whole IGP. Act no.
How?
Until you want to be at the Facebook.
People get hurt too.
Exactly.
Hey, Charlie.
Nyimpa bi onyi biri chato. No catch and there. Obama na ejuma.
Wow.
Dampare na picture na obo hwe.
That guy gets some crazy balls, eh? Hey, Charlie.
So then, because I said to me, impersonate ma on ye. Because character is strong and different. In your money, yes, send you maybe kakra. Nti ye on ye. Nti ye pede ye hu got some kofuonya. What the Amazon?
Charlie.
Jerry.
Some way.
Benyim da within Jerry, so I am the one.
When you be as a IGP.
Exactly. Within Jerry, no, I am do. I am a dough because it was Jane, it was 2. The chair back on us.
I see. How you want to? And you know, on that note, P Square, I say the pano. And I have body money, collabo, any of the best ratio no so. You switchy. Your first was done my Vodafone. Also register or sim now call register. As a back account to me fine here, babies. It's pacho, use Ghana card no. Now they are registered sim na BB to me ako ye the amount. BB Chiwadria. No send the SMS they are call 655 on Vodafone. Against our friend National Communications Authority for toll free number 0800 110 622. Now yamwa. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that will take us to check our time. Bouncing out of here just to pay way for the news at 6. I want to spend time with us. Nyame Adom, yeah, the freestyle edition of Freestyle Friday.